What if everything you know, the people you meet, the air you breathe, the very ground beneath your feet, isn't real? What if it's all part of an intricate simulation? It's a question that's as unsettling as it is intriguing, and today, we're diving into the mysteries of simulation theory. Simulation theory suggests that our reality might not be the base reality, but instead, a highly advanced virtual construct. Think of it as living inside a super sophisticated video game, one so detailed that it's indistinguishable from what we perceive as the real world. But where does this idea come from? This concept has fascinated humanity for centuries. From religious beliefs to philosophical musings, the notion that our world is not what it seems is deeply rooted in our collective consciousness. Ancient Hindu texts describe Maya, the illusion that clouds reality. Plato's allegory of the cave paints a vivid picture of individuals mistaking shadows for truth. The modern interpretation of simulation theory, however, gained traction in the 20th and 21st centuries. Science fiction authors like Philip K. Dick explored the nature of simulated worlds, while computer scientists and philosophers began to theorize about the potential of technology to replicate reality. In 2003, philosopher Nick Bostrom published a groundbreaking paper that shook the intellectual world. His simulation argument proposed three possibilities. 1. Advanced civilizations never reach the point of creating simulations. 2. They reach that point but choose not to create them. Or 3. We're almost certainly living in a simulation already. Let's unpack this. If an advanced civilization possesses the technological capability to simulate entire worlds, the number of simulated realities could vastly outnumber base realities. In such a scenario, the odds of us being in the one base reality become astronomically small. If you're skeptical, consider how far technology has come. Modern video games create incredibly realistic environments. Artificial intelligence can mimic human behavior. And quantum computers are starting to push the boundaries of what we thought was computationally possible. Is it really so far-fetched to imagine an advanced civilization running simulations as complex as our universe? Virtual reality today is just the beginning. What happens when simulations become indistinguishable from reality? Could we already be at that point without knowing it? Some scientists point to peculiar phenomena as potential evidence. For instance, the fine-tuning of the universe's physical constants. Why do they seem so perfectly calibrated for life? Could this precision hint at intelligent design by an advanced programmer? Astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson has even suggested that the likelihood of us living in a simulation could be as high as 50%. It's a provocative claim that invites both curiosity and skepticism. Then there are the glitches. Quantum physics reveals a world that doesn't always follow our intuitive understanding of reality. Particles can exist in multiple states at once, and outcomes change based on observation. Could this be a sign that we're operating in a coded environment with computational shortcuts? And let's not forget the limits of light speed or the pixel-like structure of space-time proposed by some physicists. Are these boundaries evidence of a programmed universe? But not everyone is convinced. Critics argue that simulation theory is unfalsifiable. There's no way to prove or disprove it. Others suggest it's a distraction from more pressing scientific questions. Instead of pondering simulations, they urge us to focus on understanding the universe as it is. Yet, simulation theory continues to fascinate. It forces us to question our assumptions about existence, consciousness, and reality itself. For now, simulation theory remains a tantalizing possibility. Whether or not we're living in a simulated universe, the idea challenges our understanding of reality and pushes the boundaries of human curiosity. Perhaps the true value of simulation theory isn't in finding the answer, but in asking the questions. It's a reminder that even in an age of advanced science and technology, some mysteries remain just out of reach. So, are we in a simulation? The answer may be out there, waiting for us to discover. Or perhaps, it's right here, hidden in the code of existence. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.